Nighttime in the city that never sleeps. What's that? Across the sky, the math signals. It can only mean one thing. Someone's calling the mighty math number heroes. You're the guest star here, so tell us who you are. Look! Up in the sky! It's Fraction Man! Fabrific Fractions! I've got just the thing for the city fireworks show. Use the control pad to turn fractions into fireworks. We can launch 4 different kinds of fireworks. Click here to select which one. Click here to change the fraction, and click here or here to color your fraction. Click here to choose the colors of your fireworks. When you're ready, click here to launch your firework. Let's put on a fraction fireworks show. Let's compare 1/4 and 1/6. Launch the fraction firework that's less. Ooh, that's not exactly right. Keep trying. Zoinks! Here's 1/4. Fabrific Fractions! You're making beautiful fireworks! Let's compare 1/6 and 1/2. Launch the fraction firework that's greater. Yowza! I couldn't have done it better myself! 1/3 or 1/8. Make the fraction firework that's greater. So here's one. Zooey! You are really good at this. Let's compare 1/8 and 1/6. Launch the fraction firework that's greater. Ooh, not quite right. Here's Fabrific Fractions! You're making beautiful fireworks! 1/2 or 1/8. Make the fraction firework that's greater. Reach for the stars with Quizzo!
Hey folks, welcome to Quizzo, the game show where brain power is the greatest superpower of all. I'm your host, Star Brilliant. Player at home, choose your opponent. Click play when you're ready. Click play when you're ready. From New Orchard City, Apple O'Day joins us to compete against Player 1 in our home audience. The rules are simple. Click on a screen under the category you want. The higher the points, the harder the problem. You earn the most points when you get it right on the first try. Click me, and I'll remind you how to play. Player 1, you go first this game. The category is patterns. Drag the answer onto the question mark to complete the pattern. Then click Check It. For a few extra points, Player 2, do you agree with that answer? You both won points. All right. You're up, Player 2. The category is numbers. Do you agree with that answer, Player 1? Good job! Everybody won points that time. You're up, Player 1. The category is patterns. For a few extra points, player 2, do you agree with that answer? Player 2, player 1 was right. Points for player 1. It's your turn, player 2. It's time to subtract. For a few extra points, player 1, do you agree with that answer? Good thinking, player 1. Player 2, try again. Good job! Everybody won points that time. You're up, player 1. The category is patterns. For a few extra points, player 2, do you agree with that answer? Player 2, player 1 was right. Points for player 1. It's your turn, player 2. It's time to add. Do you agree with that answer, player 1? Good job! Everybody won points that time. It's your turn, player 1. The category is numbers. Select the number or numbers that fit, then click Check It. For a few extra points, player 2, do you agree with that answer? Nice work, player 2. Please try again, player 1. One of the answers isn't correct. Please try again. For a few extra... Nice call. These answers... Okay. No points for this. Do you... Good job! Everybody won points that time. Now you, player 2. It's time to subtract. For a few... Good job! Your turn, player 1. For a few... Your turn, player 2. It's time to add. Do you agree with that answer, player 1? You both... Your turn, player 1. Drag the numbers onto the... For a few extra points, player 2. Do you agree with that answer? Player 1 was right, player 2. The points go to player 1. It's your turn, player 2. It's time to add. Do you agree with that answer, player 1? Sorry, player 1. Player... Apple a day. How about another round? The category... Here's your chance.
Geometry emergency detected! To the Geo computer!
Geo computer on. I'm receiving a signal from the GeoBot, and I need your help. Excellent! You found the solution.
I'm near First and Main. We have a geometry situation here. I'm sending the problem now. Which of these shapes has 3 sides and corners?
Good job. We make a great team.
Here's a real doozy. I'll radio the specifics now. Which of these shapes have 4 sides and corners?
You're doing well, but there are more shapes to find. Try again, please. Good answer. Transmitting.
I'm near City Hall. There's a crowd gathering and they want some answers. I'm sending the problem now. Which of these shapes have 5 sides and corners?
Please use the paint tool to fill in the right shape. Great job! But there are more correct shapes. Give it another try.
Here comes Handsome Chance!
I'm Handsome Chance. And I'm making action figures of me. Problem is, I have so many outfits, and I look good in them all. We can use my probability machine to pick the outfits. Click this gizmo to set the probability for my outfit colors. Click these arrows to set the number of action figures. Click this dial to set the speed, fast or slow. Click Go to run the machine. Here's a challenging question. Here's a tip. Something... Exactly! I'm glad you're working for me. Ooh, how about this question? Not there yet. Here's a tip. Wow! You really know your probabilities. Tell me if you know the answer to this one. Not quite. Sorry. You're right! It's like you're reading my thoughts. Don't forget, you can gather data on my machine to help you answer the question. Click Go to run the machine. Let's see if you can answer this question. Sorry, that's... Here's a tip. Something is... That's right! You're almost as smart as I am. Can you figure this one out? sorry. Try again. Correct. You always know just what I'm thinking. Here's one to make you think a little. Not quite, but don't worry. Please try again. Here's a tip. Something is possible if it can. Good job! I think you deserve a promotion. Here's a question I just thought of.